Hi, it's Dave, and today we're going to be working on a black canvas that's been primed with the Camiscaya uh, uh, canvas primer uh, in black. The canvas, basically the primer, what it does is it allows for a barrier between the cloth and the top of the canvas, so we can use it as a surface for inks, which needs to be on a slick surface. Anyways, colors today are going to be all Camiscaya pearl, or excuse me, uh, yeah, pearl colors. Today I'm going to be using Neptune and Arctic. Neptune is a blue, Arctic is a violet. I may, depending on my mood and what's going on with, I may add just a little bit of pearl. On the metallic side, I'm going to be using gold. So I'm not going to talk a heck of a lot today. I'm going to go ahead and get started. It's a small canvas. This is a 10 by 10. It gives me a perfect substrate to experiment with these. So I didn't spend a lot of time. Let's get started.
찬란히 빛나는 너의 이름 이 기장 속에 나의 맘속에 I wouldn't change anything 이대로 시간을 돌린대도 나 지금 이대로 처음부터 소중히 담아온 나의 이야기 내게 달려가 꽉 안아줄 거야 오늘은 말할게 I love you till the end It's more than just a feeling 이렇게 말해줘 Oh yeah, yeah. I've been waiting for your love 널 바라볼 때마다 조금씩 커져가는 love You have no idea I wouldn't change anything 이대로 시간을 돌린대도 여기 이곳으로 너만을 향한 나의 고백 내게 달려가 꽉 안아줄 거야 오늘은 말할게 I love you till the end It's more than just a feeling here for you. I am all for you. 나의 손을 잡아 나를 바라봐 변하지 않아 널 향한 네 내 맘 It's more than just a feeling 이렇게 말해줘 I've been waiting for your love
Okay, I'm going to call this. It is an interesting piece. It's hard to see in this light, but because of the pearlesque against the black, you get the blues are very vibrant. The violets are standing out nicely. Uh, I put a lot of different colors there in the middle, along with the pearl, to try to get a cloudy look to it. And I think what I've achieved here is basically a nebulae, and that's at least what that's what I'm gonna consider it. And this has been a learning process. I got to tell you, these are a lot of fun, and I'd like to play with them more. And I think I'm going to go looking for some glass to use with this. If I had a black glass, it would probably be really stunning. So I'm going to call this for today. This has been Thursday Train. Up before me, you saw for the first time Gert of Gert Creates. So we want to welcome her to the team. And following me is going to be Just Janice, followed then by art by Julie E. I'm hoping that you all have gotten something out of this. And if you have, if you give me a thumbs up and ring the bell for notifications. And also, if you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I have well over 750 videos to choose from, and I'm going to ask a favor. I am struggling with watch time hours, and I'd really like to get myself pushed over the amount that I need. And if you could help me out by maybe go and find some things on my playlist that you think interest you, more than appreciated. So let's call it a day. I want to thank you very much for being here, and until next time, bye for now.